Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to complete the Executive Project Summary form for the ADFD IRENA Project Facility. After you've registered online, you will have your credentials to log in. You'll go to this website and using your login details, log into the system. You'll then be directed to create a project by clicking on Create Project. The first step to submitting your application is to view the EPS Questionnaire for reference. This questionnaire is essentially all the questions that we are asking and a guidance on how to answer each question individually. You will always be able to reference this while you're completing your application. The next step is to actually complete the form, which you will find here in number 2 by clicking on this link. This is what the application form looks like when you first download it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I've already completed an application form so that we can observe how to actually upload it. After your form is complete, you'll be directed to choose which type of file you are uploading. The first file, or the main file, is the EPS file itself, or the application form. So if you click on this box, EPS File, and then you browse for the file on your computer, by choosing the file, you will then be directed to upload it. Most of you will have some error messages when you try to upload the file. The reason for these messages is to clearly identify where the input into the form is incorrect and needs correction. So if we look at here, I have 2 errors for number 19 and number 34. Number 19, no special characters or signs. Please use numbers only. So if I go to my application form, if I go to number 19, I will see that I write $10 million, and it says that I should only use numeric. So I need to adjust this to reflect the message. $10 million. The other error is number 34, electricity capacity. No special characters or signs. Please use numbers only. So if I scroll down to number 34, I'll notice here that I have 13.5 megawatts. There's already a megawatts in the left-hand side next to electricity, so I don't need the megawatts in the right-hand column. So after I've adjusted my 2 errors, I can save my file and then go back to uploading it again. Now I have a successful upload. As you can see, there's a project code which we will be using in our back-end process, and I can clearly see that country A in this situation for the example is displayed. The other option that you have for uploading files is using the Other box. This will allow you to upload other supporting documentation or any type of other files that you might want to upload to support your file. In this case, we advise you to use only short file names so that the system can accurately and clearly display them for us to use downstream. After you've submitted your files, you'll be able to observe them by clicking on the projects link in the top right-hand corner of this page. Here I will see the sample file that I have uploaded, and if I ever want to go back and change anything in my application, I can click on View Detail in the right-hand corner, and I would be able to delete the file by clicking on the red marked X over here. This will allow me to start the process over again if I ever need to change any of the information. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how you use the new Executive Project Summary form. If there are any other questions, we are happy to answer them by email and address them prior to the deadline of the submission. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and good luck.